Hey guys, I wanted to jump in because I have a bit of an unboxing for scrapbookingstore.com. So I thought I would talk just for a second, then I'll speed it up because you guys. So guess where it's from? Guess where it's from? Okay, so got this kit and I'll do a really quick little show. I've got the whole Maggie Holmes parasol, like the entire thing. So I will do a little bit of a quicker flip through because I know a lot of times people like a quicker video. I have got the Simple Stories chipboard stickers, which I think is amazing. They are going to give me that texture, dimension kind of vibe that I love. I have got adhesive gems, and they're like half back pearls, I think they're called. Gorgeous colors, really nice color match, but they're adhesive. And a full set of washi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 a little wider, 2 a little bit more narrow. Now let me speed this up. So I thought I would voice over because I get so excited and I wanted to show you some of these goodies. So really nice saturation on the washi. So that's going to be super fun. And washi can give you that bit of shine. We talked about the gems. We talked about the chipboard full 6x12 sticker sheet. Now let's flip through this Maggie Holmes paper pad. There are 2 of each of the piece of paper. That one looks like craft. Super easy to use background. A little bit of a floral. We've got a cut apart diagonal stripe, my very favorite stripe. A black and white. This is more of a blush and ivory. The little critters, a ledger, thank you. Really light blush tone. I'm so going to use that for a background. The Maggie Holmes florals that we all know and love. Tiny little hearts on a like baby pink. Stripes. I'll flip the stripes on the horizontal. These look like tile. Really tight floral. Nice cut apart. Guys, I can cut out that camera. This looks like a marble. We've got some lemons, which is great. A little summer scrap vibe on that. Oh, gorgeous cornflower blue. Nice little stamps, guys. You can cut these out. I mean, I have like 5,000,001 ideas to do with the stamps. More of like a tone on tone, itty bitty little florals, which are super, super cute. And then we go right back to the beginning. So I'm going to have links for scrapbookingstore.com down below, which kind of doesn't make sense because you know what the website is, but also the Facebook group. So you guys can get all of the deets, the things going on, the fun for International Scrapbook Day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye now.